Hello everyone, I am Augustine Murmu. My student ID is 1610437153. First we have to know what is disclosure.
Disclosure is defined as informing the public by financial statement of the firm.
And then we have to know what is voluntary disclosure.
Voluntary disclosure is defined as free of choice on the part of the company management to provide accounting and other information deemed relevant to the decision needs of user of their annual reports. Moreover, voluntary disclosure may include disclosure recommended by an authoritative court or body. Voluntary disclosure has also been identified as an important area in financial reporting research. There are links between firms' choices to voluntarily disclose certain information and what they are required to disclose via mandatory disclosure.
And now I am discussing about the voluntary disclosure rationale.
Voluntary disclosure in accounting considers the economics based model of disclosure by seeking to link financial reporting to economic consequences. Voluntary disclosure is aimed at providing a clear view to stakeholders about the business long-term sustainability and reducing information asymmetry and agency conflicts between managers and investors.
Now we discuss about the theories explaining voluntary disclosure practice.
First one is agency theory, second one signaling theory, third one capital need theory, and the fourth one is legitimacy theory. And now agency theory. Agency theory is a contract under which one or more person engage another person to perform some service on their behalf, which involves delegating some decision making authority to the agent. And second one, signaling theory. The signaling theory was originally developed to clarify the information asymmetry in the labor market. It has been used to explain voluntary disclosure in corporate reporting. Voluntary disclosure is one of the signaling means where companies would disclose more information than the mandatory ones required by laws and regulation in order to signal that they are better. The third one, capital need theory. The capital need theory suggests that voluntary disclosure helps in achieving a company's need to raise capital at a low cost. The legitimacy theory is based on society's perception management is forced to disclose information that would change the internal user's opinion about their company.
I am discussing about the determinants of voluntary disclosure.
There are two types of determinants of voluntary disclosure. First one is motivation and second one is constraints. Motivation to voluntary disclosure includes capital market transaction or information asymmetry, corporate control contest, stock compensation, increased analyst coverage, management talent signaling, and limitation of mandatory disclosure. And now, constraint on voluntary disclosure. Constraint on voluntary disclosure includes disclosure precedent, proprietary cost, agency cost, political cost, and litigation cost.
That's all for me. Thank you, sir. Thank you, everyone.